Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a review and an unboxing with me with the JEFFREE Star Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette, and you guys are in for a huge treat. I am doing a giveaway at the end of this video, but yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Living life like a dream, you know? Yeah.
So I have the box right here, and I'm so nervous to open this. Like, what? Okay, can we just have like a little moment for this beautiful packaging? Like, what? This is crazy. Oh my god, look at that. I just want to show you how big this palette is. So let's see what it looks like. Are you ready? Because I'm not. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay. I'm sorry. I'll compose myself. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. So real quick, before I show you my swatches, I just want you to keep in mind that just because the color looks good or bad on my arm, that does not represent the way it's gonna look on my eyelids. And yeah, let me show you. These are the swatches. I have them in order from the first shade in the palette to the last. And don't these like last color kind of remind you of New Year's and Christmas and just winter? Like literally red, silver, green, like what? I love it. Anyways, let me just take these colors off of my arms and I'll be right back. Guys, I literally just had to switch my earrings. I can't believe I was working. I can't believe I was wearing my work earrings in this video. I always wear hoops just because I don't know, I feel like it brings out my Latina-ness inside me. You feel me? Like, I don't know. Is it just me? Whatever. Okay, so for my first shade, I'm gonna go into pigment, and that's this little shade right here with the pig on it. Oh wow, oh my fault. So the first thing I'm noticing, there is like a lot of fallout. You see that? But that just means that we have to go extra careful. Just dust some of that color right off. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. This is such like a beautiful transition pink. So next I'm going to be using like a little fluffy tiny brush. This is the brush that comes in every single Anastasia palette. It's super good. I love the brush, and I'm just going to go into Knot of Fact, and it's this kind of eggplant looking color. So I'm just going to put this color right into my crease, and I'm just going to blend it in with that pink. Oh my god, I can't stop looking at it. Like, it blends together like a dream. So I'm going into this MAC brush. This is the 22-6 SE, and I think I'm gonna go into my rides here, and that's just this matte black. And you guys, this color is swatched so beautiful on my arms. And again, fallout with this product, so you already know you gotta tap tap tap, because you can't play when it comes to black, period. Okay, so I'm gonna just put that onto my outer corner right here. You guys, this is so pretty. Let me see if I can zoom you in. You guys see that? Like, everything is just so well blended. Everything's blending together nicely. So just because I want to add as much color as possible right now, I'm gonna go into food videos, and that's just this yellow right here. The fallout is literally just insane. So tap, tap, tap. Just putting that color like up here closer to my brow bone. So I've never used a color like this. This is called Conspiracy right here, and I'm literally gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna actually zoom you guys in just for this. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Is so beautiful, but I kind of want it to stand out a little more, so I'm thinking about putting this color right here, Diet Cola. Is that what it says? Yeah. So I'm definitely going to be putting Diet Cola literally right on top of this color. So I'm gonna zoom you out. So I'm just going to be blending like the edges a little. So now for the lower lashes, I'm just going to take the shade Piglet, and I'm going to put that all over. And now I'm going to go into the shade Knot of Fact, and I'm just going to be putting that towards the outer corners. So now I'm going to use the Morphe E36 brush, and with this brush I'm just going to go into the shade Ranch, and it's a really sparkly ranch looking color, and I'm going to use this color as a highlight. So I'm going to put that right on my brow bone. So I'm gonna put the same color into my inner corners. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and it's time for me to give you my final reviews, and if you've been paying attention throughout the video then you already know what I'm about to say. I love this palette. I really do. Jeffree Star's formula is normally like super good. It's by far one of the best formula I've ever tried. So of course, because it is Jeffree's formula, the shadows perform just as well. Now, I will say I've never seen a palette like this, and I'm promising you guys, you will never see a palette like this probably ever again unless people decide to copy Shane. But this is just super beautiful and totally worth the price because it is a collector's item. So as of right now, I know the palette is sold out everywhere. So I highly suggest when they restock, you do get your hands on it. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I am doing a giveaway. I have two. So this is the one I use. This is the one that will be given to you guys. If you'd like to enter my giveaway, just hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and comment when you're done. I will be posting the giveaway winner on my bio right here underneath this video in exactly a week. So yeah, just stay tuned, be on the lookout, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!